Greetings to you, my family. This is Geoffrey Ngosa, the only Zambian nomad. So today I'm in the street of lefkosa just to show you around the place, as well as whatever I find interesting, I'll definitely share with you. So please follow me as we tour the street of lefkosa together. Let's do this. So if this is your first time this channel, please subscribe, like, share if possible, and leave the comment below. So let's go and tour together the street of lefkosa. So today is Sunday, the Sunday in summertime. So the weather a little bit hot. So last time I was in this street, there's a video that I shot which I was talking about the things that, the strange things that you don't know about this place, where I mentioned the currencies that this country, they use about 4 different currencies. You pay bills, electricity in tele, which is Turkish lira. You pay tuition fee in euros. You pay house rent in pounds. It's quite strange, you know. They use all the currencies, you know, differently. So when I showed a video, I talked about the strange things that you didn't know. So today I'm just showing you around the street, and whatever interesting things that I will find, I'll share with you. So let's go. Later on, I'll take you to a market called Sunday Market, where I'll show you and the reason why it's called Sunday Market, but that's another video. Yeah, so let's just tour together the streets. There's been quiet. I think people have a lot of things, so the street is kind of empty. Yeah, being a Sunday, most people are spending time with their families. Others have gone, they have gone to the beach, yeah, because it's summertime and everyone is trying by all means to get refreshed. So we are touring the street of lefkosa. Yeah. family, as I was saying about some strange things that you find here when you are here is most Turkish people, they like building small houses for the cats, dogs, those dogs which don't have owner, you know, those street dogs or cats. So don't be surprised if you see the dog house just around the street, because they do consider they like pets, cats, like humans, like, you know. So, and this is a funny thing happened to one of my friends. He came from Nigeria. So by that time I was doing a part-time job in a BMW company, you know. So what happened was one of the drivers at the BMW company ran over the cats, one of the cats which was at the company, you know. So the son to our boss, our former boss, started crying. He was 11 years old when that happened, when the incident happened. So my friend started laughing. Then our boss got upset and he held him on his neck, started shouting at him, "You see, the cat is dead, you are even laughing," you know. Because to him, or in Africa, it's a little bit strange, you know, like to consider like pets and cats to be more like human beings. And the funny thing, I don't know if it's funny or whatever, but for me, I knew, because I've stayed with people, I interact with Turkish, and I know how they treat pets or animal just like human beings and stuff like that. So it wasn't a strange thing when I saw a son started crying. It wasn't. And you know, most of people like at our company that day was something else. It was tense at work, because everyone, once they come to say what happened, a dog is dead, they started the cat is dead, I mean, they started crying, you know. So that was a funny thing, you know. In Africa, sometimes you don't consider much of like the cats like equal to human being, you know. But in the Western world, they do consider that. So that's what happened. So I'm just in the street of Scotia, touring around, just a normal walk. So this is Lema, it's one of the malls. That's Burger King. If you are here, you can still buy something. So this is more like a silent walk in the street of Lefkosa. So family, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video and share the video if possible. So this is one of the companies which sells cars. This is just a street out. It's one of the coffee shop in Cangar. So this is one of the companies which sells cars, ranging from Range Rovers, Rolls, Lamborghini, BMW and Benz.